Hello everyone, I'm Carius, and this is going to be a short rambly video just about the state of the channel and a short little workshop tour, show you how far it's come. Even though it's still a mess, I figured I might as well show off some stuff. So blah. This is the workbench, well, one of 4 that is currently covered in shit. As you can see, a nitron that has been torn to pieces because I wanted to make a boom nitron, and realizing, just like most people who work with a nitron, that this gearbox is crap, so a rapid strike will have to be sacrificed to actually make that happen. Got a nice Fearless fire I bought from Joshua Church, and the cage melted, so I gotta reprint a cage. Pegboard full of crap. Hyperfire I'm working on. Pegboard of tools I'm working on organizing. Standard mess. Big old tower of drawers of electronic parts, and a Dominator that is coming together slowly. I got my cages and everything all set up. And instead of working with MOSFETs or doing anything like that, I'm just going to do the over-engineered, lazy way. Let's just put a giant-ass switch in it and see if that works. I got to make a power stock for it to fit this battery in there. So that'll be interesting. This whole place is just such a mess because I'm still just starting projects and stopping projects and figuring out where I want everything to go. I just redid my tool bench and got a new grinder for Christmas, which is cool. Bench grinder. Got all this other stuff set up and working on that. Kind of a weird war staging area. Packing up for SCNC tomorrow. Another pegboard, just stuff. I just kind of have blasters and ammo and all kinds of stuff just laying about. Got all the community ammo for AUN because I run that over in Birmingham. Reject darts from the last sort, mostly FAJs. Thank you, Jeff. But no, really, I showed up late and he was able to supply ammo, but his bin is full of random nonsense, so I had to sort it out of the community darts. And the biggest thing that's happened recently is these shelves. So actually, let me turn on this makeshift light switch up here. You can see I got an extension cord and an inline switch that runs to a bunch of these lights going down the shelves. So I built a bunch of these because I've got a ton of big clear plastic bins. So I realized all I really needed was some rails to set everything on. So what you end up with is tons and tons of Nerf stacked on these shelves. I could fit 30 huge bins on any one of these 4 shelves I built. So that's pretty awesome. And none of it's organized. It's all just like a huge mess. I just loaded it all onto the shelves to open up some space and to make sure that the shelves wouldn't collapse under the weight of all the Nerf. So I got 1, 2, 3, and 4, all in various states of being filled and organized, although none of them are really organized. Kind of a random material shelf and other stuff stuck on the end caps. So things are coming together. It's still a huge mess. I stuck some pegboard up there. Haven't done anything with it yet. The dart catch is still working great. It keeps me from littering the floor with darts every single day. So yeah, things are coming together. Still a catastrophe, but looking less and less like one every day. I got this other room where eventually I'll have my 3D printer set up. Got more pegboard. Let me turn on some lights. That wasn't the lights I'm looking for. There we go. So I got pegboard here. This will eventually be the actual backdrop for videos in the future. Right now it's just got stuff hanging on it. See the Joshua Church's Doomslayer that I bought a little while ago. A shield I just put together to test out some stuff, which actually works pretty well. Behind it, a red rough cut, because those exist. Not really, I dyed it. and shield. Super janky, held together with paracord, but it works. Found out the hard way that you can't just do 2 straps on a shield. You have to have a handle, otherwise it feels super flimsy and hard to maneuver, so I fixed that. Messing around with the Hypnos, put some red skateboard tape on the grip, really helps it feel good. Hex shock just sitting there in the corner by itself, and then where all the magic happens for dying blasters. Recently just like kind of smoked this one magazine a bit. It was clear, now it's kind of dark. So yeah, big mess. My paints, big hole where there used to be a grill, but that thing was disconnected from gas before I was born and had a nasty grease trap that hadn't been cleaned and just as long, and it needed to be ripped out of there. But yeah, this is the Nerf dungeon. Got more pegboard on the walls to organize stuff, so yeah, progress is happening. It's a pretty insane workshop. Workbench, 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 and workbench. And giant mess of shelves for storing all the nonsense. So yeah, I just figured I'd give a short little tour, put out something on the channel. As you can probably tell, most of the things I'm working on are still in progress or in pieces or in various states of disrepair. I don't really have anything that I've wanted to make a video on for a little while, aside from a couple interesting Prometheus experiments. And as you can see on my future project shelf, there are quite a few Prometheus sitting here waiting for something crazy. But it'll probably be a while till that's finished. More giant laundry hampers full of darts, because I just acquire ammo and all kinds of crap. Is there anything? Oh. Hey look, it's an entire drum full of 35 and 25 round drums. Yeah, it's kind of nuts. Oh look, it's a perfect row of sludge fires in that bin over there. Weird. Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff here. That's what happens when you're this deep into a hobby for like 12 years at this point, but yeah. So yeah, I just thought you guys might enjoy just seeing where I'm at so far. I plan on resuming videos. Things have been a little crazy with Christmas and all kinds of stuff going on. My damn water just got shut off and I had to fix that. And it's just one disaster after another, but things are still going. And pretty soon I will have hopefully a working Dominator. We'll see what happens. Started with regular worker cage and ending with a canid cage, just on a hunch, and we'll see what happens there. Big mess with this stuff, and this like Cthulhu abomination for holding stuff. It doesn't work as well as you would hope it would, but it does help. I love me some Black & Vecker 20-volt tools. So yeah, battery charging station, water heater. Yeah. Alright, well, I have run out of things to say. Videos will be coming back to the channel shortly, as soon as I figure out what I actually want to do videos on. There's still tons of blasters that I've made in the past that I never featured, and I can easily knock out a bunch of short showcase videos, but I'm always preoccupied with the newest thing I'm working on, and I want to do videos on that kind of stuff, but we'll see. Just get some more content on the channel. We'll probably start throwing out some cool stuff. Big bag full of loner blasters, and I already did a video on the Doomsayer. It's good. Still need to do a max launcher video, a blowgun video, do a nice video on this hyperfire pistol, which turned out great, and of course the Prometheus, the one-armed Prometheus that there was a sneak peek of in a previous video. But yeah, lots of options, but if you see anything or notice anything in this video that you want a video on, then let me know in the comments, and I'll consider it. And I'm still holding this shield because I'm a goober. So I hope you've enjoyed this rambly look at my workshop. The Nitron is an over-engineered piece of crap that it will hopefully turn into something decent. That's the only part of the Nitron that actually matters. The rest of this can get trashed. We'll see how much Rapid Strike and how much Nitron are left by the time I'm done. It's going to be some kind of Frankenstein abomination. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one. And until then, this has been Carius, reminding you to have fun.